another day of plantings. You know, when the getting is good and you want to catch the rain, you got to do what you got to do. I don't have any worries because I have no hair. I'm just getting a little wet, but I'm going to plant some more Bermuda seed. And today we planted 4 crepe myrtles, 2 banana trees right in front of our rock wall. If it wasn't raining, I'd show you, so I have to do pictures on another day. And 2 very fragrant trees over by the jacuzzi, which are so aromatic. They're bringing out butterflies, and I'll take a picture. I have a picture of that. And we're just doing what we do because there's no let up. And I had to catch the rain because I want the rain to get all 12 of the cypress trees we planted yesterday. We got them all done. And so now I'm just doing a little bit of overseed to where there's some bald spots in the grass in the yard. And hopefully that'll come on up. So I'm back at it just for a little bit, then I'm going to dry off. Deuces. Today it was all about planting crepe myrtles. So we have 4 purple color variety of crepe myrtles that will go in between each one of my neighbor's pink crepe myrtles. And so that should create a nice look of interest between the 2 houses and also provide a colorful backdrop to some privacy border. And then because the ground was so hard, I had to put this individual one right here kind of by itself. But I think the purple is going to be amazing between the 2 houses. Thing that I did. Okay, so I've got kids invading my jacuzzi at the moment. I did these pink aromatic trees over here, and they get really wide and bushy. So I planted them a little bit far apart, just a twinge, but they'll blend in together. So I did those. And then on the side of the wall over there, I did banana trees. And those 2 get very tall and very bushy. So I gave them a little bit of space, but I want them to kind of join up together. So those are those guys. So that's what was going on today, right before the rain came down. Just trying to give some interest to the backyard, add a little aroma. And these guys are here, they like wet areas, so it's perfect right by the air conditioning units because all the condensation is dropping onto the ground, and that's going to naturally keep that ground moist. Our 12 Leland, well, they're not even Leland cypress, they're a different type of cypress trees that are very resistant and hardy, so they don't get a lot of the brown and get caught up with fungus and things like that. So that's what was going on yesterday and today.